This is a Manfrotto 055 tripod that I have been using for over 30 years. We have a love-hate relationship. I love it because it's very sturdy, very tall, and it's extremely reliable. I hate it because it's heavy and cumbersome. I've tried to replace it with something smaller and lighter many times, but I always end up coming back to this. When out with the camera, I always have it mounted on the tripod, so I'm always prepared for the shot. I rarely shoot without a tripod. I carry it around like this, and I place my hand at the point of balance, and it's strangely comfortable. The only problem is when I walk, the lower legs tend to splay, and basically they get in the way. It's worse, of course, when the legs are extended. For 30 odd years I've been saying that I must sort this out. Today is the day. I found these clips that are used for PVC waste pipe, in this case 32mm waste pipe. They come with a 6mm threaded nut that takes a standard 6mm bolt. The 32mm clip fits my slightly less than 30mm tripod leg very well and hangs on tight. Clips like this come in different sizes for other pipes such as water pipe and electrical conduit, but also bear in mind that by applying heat to these PVC clips, it is possible to reshape the clip and make them smaller or wider. So this is what I made. A strip of aluminium with two clips mounted, the centres of which correspond to the distance between the centre of the legs when the tripod is closed. You may notice that one clip has been altered and is slightly shorter than the other. I achieved this by snipping the tip with a pincer. So why the short clip? Well, when the standard clip goes on, it takes a fair amount of force to remove it. Shortening the clip makes removal easier, but it still maintains a good grip. In use, the long clip is never removed. It's just the short clip that gets unclipped. Once in place, the legs remain perfectly in place, even with a vigorous shaking. In practice, it's very easy to use and doesn't really add much time and effort when using the tripod. I hope that this may have inspired you, and maybe 30 years from now, you'll think to make one. Cheers.